Here's a 2019 Toyota Tacoma Access Cab SR, 45,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in silver. Nice little truck here, 4-cylinder engine, gives you good fuel efficiency. Big enough bed though with the Access Cab to get the jobs done that you need without spending a lot of money at the pumps. So looking for a little truck to do some jobs around the house, this is probably the one for you. Let's go ahead and take a look as we go around. Obviously Toyota, known for its high resale value, low cost ownership, and high reliability. As you can see, the SR does give you the black bumpers and grille, along with the high intensity headlamps there. So we work our way around to the side. The first thing you'll notice is brand new tires on this thing. You can see the nubs on the tires there. We put all new tires on. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. That's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive. Do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, completely go over the wearables. You can find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician who performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. I'll show you that report quick, but as we look in here first, light gray cloth covered seating, 2 bucket seats with console with an automatic floor shifter in between, and otherwise charcoal on charcoal interior. And just to give you a peek, you can find the pictures. You can see we do have the books in there as well. Find the pictures of this report in our photo gallery. You can see brand new tires, 18-30 seconds, and then new brakes on the front, 80% on the back. So like I say, we do not skimp on the wearables. Today's day and age, a lot of people are. We do not. You can see that Access Cab does give you a little bit of room in the back there. You can see to a little bit of toolboxes, storage, things of that nature in the back, to kind of keep some of your belongings. As we continue around, like I say, you do have a little bit longer bed here with the Access Cab. You also can see zero rust there on the frame rail. Undercarriage looks really, really good. Back bumper looks fine. You can see we do have backup camera from factory, full-size spare underneath there. Bed liner with the utility track system that Toyota offers, as you can see there as well. Again, new tires, 80% on those rear brakes, no rust. And then you can see manual adjustment on the driver's seat as well. We do have power windows, locks, and mirrors though, even though it is an SR, and we always do promise 2 keys, no keyless entry, but you can see we do have 2 keys of passive security. Go ahead and jump in here and turn it on. See, actually we do have a minor accident. My apologies, I said clean Carfax there. We do have a minor accident. One owner though is correct. Let's go ahead and take a peek at this. We always put the Carfaxes on our vehicle, and there you can see minor on the rear, and it even says minor damage is usually cosmetic, including denser scratches on the vehicle body. So a lot of times there's not even a panel replacement, it's just maybe a repaint or a touch-up. Very minor on the rear, nothing to be concerned of. Just had a little bit of repaint there from some dents and scratches. Here we have the automatic headlamp control. Headlamps are on the left stem, high beams and turn signals as well. We also have intermittent wiper washers on the right. Volume controls on the steering wheel, got your hands-free or Bluetooth there on the lower left. Control pad for your center display. We got, looks like we got lane departure and forward collision on this vehicle. So how about that? Got the safety features even on a base trim. And then down here at about 4 o'clock is your third stem for your cruise control. We do have AM, FM satellite radio, as you can see there, single CD, also electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. There is your defrost and your temperature controls. We do have your power outlets, your USB and your auxiliary, 2 cup holders, another one back here, floor shifter, ability to select any of the gears in the left position, and a little cubby there to keep your belongings. Flip dim on the rear view. We got 2 LED map lights. Do have the ability to shut off your traction control up above. No mirror on the driver's side or the passenger in the visor. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood here. So you got a hood release right there. I think it's a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine that's in this truck. There you see it, very Clean, quiet, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Very, very well maintained by the previous owner. And like I said, it is fuel efficient. Especially with gas prices getting a little higher. You don't need a heavy duty truck. This might be the exact one for you. As we kind of walk the car now, like I said, I showed you in the mechanical how we went all new tires and new brakes on the front. Showed you the Carfax, minor accident on the back involving dents or scratch repair. And now we're just going to walk the car, show you any minor imperfections it may have. Little tiny scuff right there by the door handle. Otherwise, the cab looks good. I'm just giving you a shot down this bedside to see if we can pick up any dents or dings. A couple little smudges there that we touched up on that bedside. Rear bumper, little dent and nick there. Little dent on the outside. Tailgate, a couple little smudges that we touched up there. Of course, the top cover's got a couple nicks in it. That's what it's there for. Got a little dent right here in the corner of the tailgate. Try to catch that in the light. Little dent, a couple little more little scratches on the steel bumper, and then on the bedside, another one there that we touched up. A couple more here, just scratches that are touched. I mean, typically on a truck, that's where you're going to find the damage. It's on the bed, right? People usually, it looks like it might have a little tiny dent up there on the by the bed rail cap cover. Little chip right there. Access door looks good. Couple little chips there on the front door panel. Just a little dirt there. Just want to be thorough and sure for you guys. Bumper looks good. A couple little stone chips on the painted portion of the grill there. Said otherwise, front bumper looks good. Hood looks pretty good as well. One chip right there, if you can see it. I can't reach to point it out, but one chip high up. And that is it, guys. Nice, like I say, fuel efficient truck. Gives you a big enough bed and good enough efficiency to get the job done with Toyota reliability and resale value. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. And the warranty is transferable powertrain to the second owner. And if you're interested, get a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Look us up online at www.allthingsautomotive.com, or of course give us a call at area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.